What's up, you guys? I am sitting in the parking lot of Walmart, just waiting for my windows to unthaw. I needed to go to Costco today, but unfortunately, we are in the middle of a snowstorm, and it is so icy out here. It rained earlier, and then the temperature dropped, so now it's really icy, but I heard it's supposed to get worse. So I was just like, let me just run to Walmart and grab a few things to hold us over until this is over with. And once I get home, I will show you guys what I got, but I'm gonna let you guys see what this snow is looking like right now. And I will catch you guys once I get home. It is coming down, coming down. It's pretty though. But the roads are icy because it actually rained earlier. So when I went out this morning, it was actually slippery. So that's why I was like, let me just run to Walmart and get my tail back home. So once I get back home, y'all, I'll show y'all what I got. I needed some items, and as I told you guys before, we are in the middle of a snowstorm, so I wasn't able to go to Costco's because it's raining out as well, and I ain't got time to be out here slipping and sliding. So let me show you what I got. So I'm gonna start with this, some beef broth, some whole kernel corn, some black beans, some more sweet corn, some more corn. This is another chicken broth. Then I have some sweet peas. It's a 4-pack of sweet peas. I don't eat them, but everybody else in the house eats them and loves them, so grab that. And then I grab some taco shells. Then I have some Minute Maid juices. I have the berry punch, the mango punch. This is my favorite. And another mango punch. Some Velveeta shells and cheese. I usually make my own macaroni, but sometimes I don't feel like it. If I want to do something quick, I'll just make that. Have some of the Sunbelt granola bars. My kids love those. Then I have the honey and oat granola bars. The kids like them as well. And then I have some Prego roasted garlic Parmesan. And I can make my own sauce, but a lot of times I don't feel like it. I don't have the time, so. Then I have these bagels, cinnamon raisin bagels. My kids are crazy about bagels, especially in the morning. And then this bag, I have some toys liners. I have another pack, and you guys know that this will go in my donation box. These was absolutely free. I have some more of this complete seasoning. I have one downstairs, but every time I go to the store, I grab one because sometimes they be out. Then we have this cream cheese, and this is the honey butter kind. Then I have this 3-pack of Renews It cones. I love these cones in my bathroom. Once I clean the bathroom up, I'll put one of these in there. Then I have this Hawaiian Punch, this green kind. This was my mom's favorite one. Then I got this kind here. This is the mango Monsoon. Never tried this. This one a new one. So see, it's like that. Then I grabbed this orange juice. And I only grabbed one because, like I said, I need to go to Costco's, but today is not a good day in the middle of a snowstorm. So then I grabbed a strawberry lemonade Minute Maid. Then I grabbed these birthday muffins for my children. Then I have another one of these Alfredo sauces. In this bag, I have some smoked turkey wings, some Listerine Ready tabs, some Aqua Fresh toothpaste. Then I have 4 boxes of these Pillsbury Cornbread mix, and this is so good. Since I tried this, I will not buy Jiffy anymore. This is my absolute favorite. So I got 4 boxes of those. And I have 2 of these little folders. And I just got it because there was a rebate for it. And I'm trying to get my complete my bonus for my $10. And I have some Mucinex. Then I have some face masks, children's face masks. And I have 4 packs of these. I don't want to be trying to wash face masks every day, so I went a couple weeks ago and I bought like 4 packs, so I just grabbed 4 more packs. I have some Spanish rice, some Haribo gummies, some cheddar broccoli rice, some Mexican rice. I have these Doritos. Also, I have some cheddar and broccoli rice. Some little sour gummy candies. I have 2 packs of those. Another pack of the gummies. And then some oatmeal. And then a candy bar. Then in this bag, I have 2 things of the All laundry soap. And then I have some Nivea breathable men's body lotion. And this is new, something new. That I picked up. This bag, I have some bananas. I have 2 things of bananas. I also have a bag of Dough Crafted Smoothie Blends. I'm going to start making my smoothies again. And in this bag, have some of the Pringles Scorching Barbecue. I think I grabbed 3 of these ones here. And then I grabbed 2 of the Scorching Cheddar. And these are new as well. And there was a 75-cent back rebate for that. So, something new. And I have some of the Oreo lemon thin cookies. Then I grabbed 2 packs of these big pens. So my total for all of this stuff was $143.57. I had $17 in coupons, and that brought my total down to $126.57. I received a total of $27.75 back in rebates, so that made my final cost $98.82. So my total went from $143.57 to $98.82. So that's like what, a $50 savings. So yeah, this is my haul, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.